Google Sheets doesn't have a native feature to find and select blank cells. This feature is present in Microsoft Excel, but Google Sheets users do not get this easily. Whenever there is no native feature available in Google Sheets, luckily we can use either custom formulas, extensions, or Google Apps script. But if we end up using Google Apps script, that's going to stick to your current spreadsheet only. If we want this to be used across all the spreadsheets, then we use extensions, also known as add-ons. In this video, we will see how to select blank cells in Google Sheets. Not only selection, but we will also see how to highlight the selected blank cells. And for this, we are going to use an add-on called as Select Special Cells. To install this, we go into the Extensions menu, click on Add-ons, and click on Get Add-ons. And then this Google Workspace Marketplace shows up. In the search bar, you can type Select Special Cells. Then you click on this one. You will see the Select Special Cells by Sheet City. You can install this one. Continue. You will have to do this authorization once. You have to select all here and then click on Continue. That's it. Now Select Special Cells has been installed. Click on Done and we can close this window. If you go into the Extensions menu item again, you can see the Select Special Cells has been added here. Click on Start. And this will start a sidebar with the Select Special Cells. And you will have two sections here. At the top, you can select the cell type that you want to select. And below that, you will have some workflow options. In this case, we can use this Highlight Matches option. So I'm going to select the range first while this blank cells is selected. And then I click on Highlight Matches and then click on Select. That's it. Now we found 33 blank cells and also highlighted at the same time. If you don't want this highlight to be persisting, you can just hit undo or click on this undo button here or Ctrl-Z or Command-Z to get rid of that highlight. Now one could also say that we can use regex, the regular expressions, to find the blank cells by selecting this and then opening up your find and replace, where you select this box to search using regular expressions, and in the find box you just type these characters with the exponent and the dollar symbol or dollar sign and click on find. So you can cycle through these findings, but you can see that it doesn't find all the blank cells. That is why the Select Special Cells is the best method in this situation. Now if you want to know how to delete all the empty rows in your dataset in Google Sheets, then you can watch this video.